Filipino languages are the most highly relational of all the Austronesian languages. We have the highest number of conjugations. How many conjugations are possible in English? The word to eat. Eat, eating, ate, eaten. What else? I suppose you can have at most 12 conjugations of one word or one verb in English, but not more than 12. What about kain, the Tagalog word for eat? In less than an hour, you can come up with 100 conjugations of kain. Makikain, nagsikain, napakain, palakain, ikain mo ko, nagkainan. So many, no? What does that mean? That means we are highly relational because every conjugation is a kind of relationship. Magsikain tayo, all of us, let's go together and eat. O ikain mo ko, do the eating for me. That's another kind of relation. Napakain, well, I was compelled to eat because others were eating. Oh, that's another kind of relation. Every conjugation is a relationship. And this is why Filipinos are so connected.